three of our extra embryonic membranes: amnion, yolk sac, allantois. And then the last one, we said this bilaminar embryo starts to make another layer of mesoderm, and they're showing the extra embryonic mesoderm that grew around the outside. And that contributes to the yolk sac, it contributes to the amnion, and it runs the whole way out and lines out here. And that, combining with the cellular layer of the trophoblast, which they should have stuck to that same yellow color, in my opinion. We should have a cellular layer. Those two form this chorion, which is going to make the placenta. And outside of that, we should have this syncytial trophoblast. And you see it's made all these holes in the endometrium that are now full of blood and secretions. These are the lacunae out here. Okay? And so this one is farther along. Rather than showing the whole thing implanted in the uterus, they're just showing our little embryo. He would now be making all these special structures out here in the chorion, forming blood vessels to actually make a vascular attachment to get nutrients and oxygen from the uterus.
Okay.
So this is the actual placenta forming out here from the chorion layer.
Okay.
This would be the connecting stalk that's connected to the embryo, and that will become the umbilical cord.
Okay.
All right, and here's our little embryo, and he's developing further. You can see the pink layer was the ectoderm. The yellow layer was the endoderm. You see that thin layer right there? And now he has a third layer in between, the mesoderm layer.
All right.
All right? And he is developing further. We haven't talked about that embryonic development, so at this point, don't worry about it. But you can see he's actually starting to form this tube down the middle, which is going to become his digestive tract. And you see how that is connected to the yolk sac, so he'll absorb nutrients out of it.
Okay.
Here's the little allantois budding off right there. There's his amnion layer wrapping around him as he's growing.